YouTube? It's your girl Monet Cheyenne, and we are back with another video. Popping, guys. I went and got my hair done. I didn't want to vlog all that because this is about business. So right now I'm headed to Smell Oils today for my candles, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. I just left this place called Howells. It was pretty good. And I got a pizza. So I'm gonna go to a couple fragrance shops to smell some fragrances, to know exactly what kind of candle I want to make for you guys. I have an unboxing to do. I ordered some more stuff from Amazon for my business. Okay, YouTube, so right now I'm at Sunrise Fragrance. I'm about to smell some candle fragrances. I did some research and they say like vanilla is one of the popular ones, peppermint. So I'm gonna try to definitely get a vanilla today, but stay tuned. Like I said, I'm about to smell some fragrances and we're gonna decide which ones we like. Money on the Street. It's pretty dark, like a brown, I would say. Try Sage. I think I did this one before. Sage isn't too bad, but it's like I would have to say like a minty kind of cleanup, you know, when your mom tell you to clean up on Sundays and play the music. Cake though. You can't kind of see it, but it's birthday cake. I think this is good. I wanted something kind of like fruity, spicy. Guys, so this is sweet vanilla. So we are going to test this out. It has a strong scent to it. We're going to keep this though, just in case. I did want to try peach too.
What you doing, vlog?
I actually like peach. Peach smells really good. So this is definitely one. Cucumber melon. This smells not too bad, but this kind of smells like peach too. Let me see. Try papaya.
What's it?
Papaya's pretty good. So out of the 5 fragrances, I'm going to pick probably 3. So I'm going to narrow it down from peach, sweet vanilla, cucumber melon, papaya, and birthday cake. So let's see which 3 I get. These are the 3 I narrowed down to: peach, cucumber melon, papaya. I'm trying to buy wholesale, so I'm trying to do wholesale. Right now I'm just testing though. So I got 8 ounces, which looks like this. And like I said, I got those 3 fragrances. So I'm gonna go home and try to mix and match and play with them and see, you know, which candle is smelling good. I still want to get a vanilla fragrance because that is a very popular fragrance for the candles. That sweet vanilla was just like too strong, too overpowering, I guess I would say. So there's one more store we're about to head out to, so I'll see if they have vanilla or something, you know, pepperminty. Okay guys, so I got those 3 and he was actually able to make vanilla, so I put the papaya up. Right now I'm headed to the 2nd location, and he actually told me some good news because one of the candles that I made not too long ago, it started to bleed, and that was because he said I put too much of the fragrance oils in it. So I'm gonna have to get my measurements together. I'm gonna make a candle once I get home and you guys will see all that. But again, like I said, I was able to get vanilla, which I'm excited for because like I said, that is one of the top fragrances that they do list and talk about, that people buy a lot, let's say that. So yeah, so I will see you guys at store number 2. This location was actually right around the corner. Let's see if I can show you guys. Taj Perfumes. And what's crazy, I actually went to this on a different side of town. So this must be the 2nd location. Even though I kind of got all my fragrances, I'm just still going to go in there and test out some different ones and see what they have. I have been noticing though, they all kind of carry the same scents. So I might have to order some of them. But let's go see. I already picked out 5 fragrances that I want to smell. First one is vanilla pineapple. It smells, I mean, the pineapple is kind of like overpowering the vanilla, so it really just smells like pineapple, but it smells good. The next one is apple bottom. Oh, this is good. It smells exactly like a green apple smell. Lemongrass. I actually like that too. It smells really good. Cocoa mango. They all smell pretty good. Went with lemongrass. It actually smells pretty good. So I'm about to get another 8 ounce. So this will be actually 4 fragrances that I got. I already have 4, so this will be a total of 8. So I think this is good. I can mix and match. I'm actually about to head home now and do the unboxing and make a candle. So I will see you guys in a second. Okay guys, so I am back. I'm actually not going to make the candles today because I actually ordered some wick holders which sticks the wick down into the candle properly. So right now I've been making candles and I've just been winging it, but I feel like it's not burning as equal and even as I want them to. So I want to wait on the stickers. They come Tuesday, so I'll make another video once I get those. I was going to make some of the coconut infused oil as well, but I just will wait till Tuesday to make the oil, make the candle all together. So right now, like I did say, I did order some more items from Amazon. So we're about to unbox them. So I'm going to start on the smaller box first. And alright, so the first item is I ordered some tights, and I know y'all gonna say this is not business related, but this is. I need these for content. And as you guys can see, they have the money sign on them. So let's open these up and see what they look like, what they're feeling like. Okay, so not too bad. They're black tights with gold money signs on them. So you guys know it's about to be fall, winter time's coming. These will definitely be good for the winter time. Okay, so moving on. That was the only thing in that box along with this one. So only 2 things came in that box. So, let's see what this is. These are my boxes that I am going to ship the candles out in. I did bulk ordering for them, and they're just white little boxes, so super excited. I'm about to actually try this out and see if the candle fits. It's just a tester candle, so disregard. What do you guys think? Think this is too tight? Should I make them bigger? I'm thinking a little bigger. That way I can put, you know, stuff in it to hold the candle in place when it's shipping to you guys. So I might go a little bigger. These are 4x4x4s. They do have 5s and 6s, so I think I'm gonna go up one more. But I do like this. It's so cute. That way I can just ship it like this, but it's really not enough space. So I think I'm gonna go up another size. Now we're on to this last box. Are the what is this? This is not what I ordered. So this is why I wanted to show you guys like the whole process with business, because I've ordered stuff and they're sending in stuff that I didn't order. So now I have to return these, reorder, and that's holding up my process for me launching my candles. So But anyway, I actually ordered some little silver wick holders, like I said, that you place on the candle at the top after you pour it in, and it holds the wick centered. And then I had ordered like a Christmas outfit, because this year I am going to post pictures on Halloween, Thanksgiving, and Christmas. So I had ordered me a cute little Christmas outfit. None of that stuff is here. So now I have to call Amazon and see what's good, because I don't play about my money. So anyway, another day. As you guys can see, this was a fail of an unboxing, because I maybe got 2 out of the 5 items I ordered, and only one of them is actually something that I can keep. So this is not good. I'm kind of upset, but we're gonna keep going and keep being positive. So I'm gonna reorder, which means I'll have another video to show you guys of the actual products that I'm gonna make. Hopefully they can be here by Tuesday with the other products. That way we can just have all one little video and one shebang. But nevertheless, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok. Your girl is active. I do follow back. So yeah, we'll be back with another video.
Cut the cone. Cut the cone.